Hey guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. So today I'm going to show you how to make an origami 4-leaf clover. So you can either have it like this or like this. It's a 4-leaf clover or a shamrock. So what you're going to do is start by folding this in half, colored side up. Here, I'll move this out of the way. And then once you have that, you're going to turn this over and you're going to measure this into eighths. So you're going to go 1. You're not going to fold it all the way. You're only going to make a pinch mark right here. And then you're going to take this point and bring it over here. And now you're going to fold all of the way. Now what you're going to do is put this back. And then you're going to turn this over. Then you're going to move this back here. And you're going to repeat this step. So what you're going to do, fold this in half. I didn't get to upload a video yesterday because I was really busy. So here we're going to fold this in half like this. And then we're going to take this and then measure 1. Take this pinch mark and bring it over to here. There. And then once you have that, you can turn this over and it should be facing like this. And now you're going to valley fold 3 sides inwards. Don't do this one. Well, like this. And take this one like that. So here, let me make sure that I'm getting it correctly. Okay. Now you're going to do this for all the sides except the bottom one. Now, once you have that, sorry, I'm going to turn this over. And it should look something like a ninja star. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold a little bit of this up. And this up too. Now I'm going to turn the page. Once you have this, you're going to fold this to the middle. Fold this to the middle. Hold on, let me make sure that there's space between this. You want to make sure that there's a white space so you can see that it's part of the leaf. Now, You're almost done. And then fold this one here. Now this one, it's the Shamrock. See there. Here's one leaf. Here's the second. Here's the third. Here's a stem. Now, if you want to make a 4-leaf clover, what you're gonna do is kind of get rid of this and fold these up. Now, make sure that there's a space between them. And then fold it up. So, there is your Shamrock. Well, it's not that even, but me personally, I like it better. I like the Shamrock better than the 4-leaf clover. So, bye. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a good St. Patrick's Day.